Hi guys, Nick here. So today we're going to be talking about what I was trying to say.
Access complete. Agent mode activated. Checking. Agent. Physical. Move. First, move your eyes and hands to capture the image that you want to install.
Connecting to the public internet. Complete. Hacking to agent's memory. Error detected. Schedule file detected. Installing. Setting complete. Hacking to agent's memory. Searching for the installable files. Found. After this process complete, the downloaded memories are automatically deleted.
Where was I? Remember when there's